Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into a story that's been making waves across the globe, the tale of Maxwell Chikumbutso, a Zimbabwean inventor who claims to have developed a revolutionary energy source called Micronic energy. But is this groundbreaking innovation, or just an elaborate illusion? Let's break it down. The hype begins. Chikumbutso first gained attention when he presented his inventions to Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa. He showcased prototypes like a self-powered car, a motorcycle, and a generator, all allegedly running on his Micronic energy. According to him, these devices could operate indefinitely without traditional fuel sources. Imagine a car that not only runs forever, but also powers your entire home. Sounds like science fiction, right? The excitement grew when he announced mass production would begin in February 2025, with plans to expand globally. His vision to revolutionize energy consumption, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and cut greenhouse gas emissions. Social media exploded with enthusiasm, and people worldwide saw him as a potential game-changer in addressing energy scarcity. The launch event on the 10th of February 2025, Saith Technologies Chikumbutso's company officially launched Micronic energy in Harare. The event was attended by notable figures, including Professor Q.C. Cook, Deputy Vice-Chancellor of the Harare Institute of Technology, who highlighted their collaboration with Saith Technologies. The anticipation was palpable. This could be the future of energy. My journey to Zimbabwe, inspired by the buzz, I decided to travel over 2,700 kilometers to Harare to see this technology firsthand. The city was bustling with energy, and I was eager to test one of Saith Technologies' products for my YouTube audience. But what I found was underwhelming. At the showroom, I was surrounded by advanced gadgets, but my excitement quickly turned to disappointment. The devices didn't function as advertised, and inconsistencies emerged with every test. It was a far cry from the revolutionary technology I'd read about. The skepticism grows. I visited Harare Polytechnic, a prestigious technical institution, to learn more. To my surprise, lecturers laughed when I asked about Chikumbutso's products. One even sarcastically asked if I was looking for the young man who scammed the president. It became clear that despite the grand promises, no products were available for purchase. Local journalists and I tried contacting Saith Technologies' PR team, but our efforts were met with silence. The company claimed products were still in production, but their facilities were closed, and production lines were inactive. The lack of transparency raised serious concerns. The red flags first. Scientific scrutiny. Chikumbutso's claims defy the laws of thermodynamics, specifically the first law, which states energy cannot be created or destroyed. Yet he hasn't provided empirical evidence to back his assertions. Second, secrecy. If this technology is real, why avoid media? Scrutiny. Transparency is crucial for public trust, especially for something this revolutionary. Third, originality. Questions. Some of his inventions are already available on platforms like Amazon, produced by Asian manufacturers using conventional tech. Plus, his claimed partnership with Chinese car manufacturer Chimo 2 has no mention on Chimo's official channels. Fourth, empty promises. Despite the launch, Saith Technologies' website is nearly empty, featuring only a logo and minimal information. Suspicious, right? The big question, is Maxwell Chikumbutso a visionary inventor or a master illusionist? While his claims have captivated the world, the lack of tangible evidence, scientific validation, and transparency raises significant doubts. Until concrete proof emerges, the world remains uncertain. Outro. What do you think is Micronic energy? The future of sustainable power? Or is this all smoke and mirrors? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of innovation and technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.